Hi guys, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay! Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all the love, the comment, the support over this year, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. This is for you. Mwah. Guys, by the title of this video, you already know, of course you know. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys around my studio, my very new studio tour, office tour, production space, videography space, photography space. Guys, in this space we're going to be doing production, like production trainings, you know, a lot of stuff. Okay, yeah. But before I proceed, guys, there are a few information I would love to share with you guys. We are based in London, United Kingdom, London, UK, available for booking. Okay, all details, all our information linked to our website is gonna be down below. In this space we have four companies. Akangela Production. Okay, Akangela Production, of course, my husband. You already know. If you watch my vlog channel, you should know by now. But yes, he does videography, photography, event coverage, wedding coverage. Okay, photo shoot, guys. Christmas is around the corner, so start booking your Christmas photo shoot. Okay, do not buy those cards from the shops for your Christmas cards. Okay, do your own family photo shoot for your Christmas card. Okay, so we are available for booking. We are taking bookings. Okay, we now offer training. Yeah, beautician chick, me, of course. Yeah. We now offer training. There will be beginners class, upgrade class, master class, guys, master class. So I'm gonna put the link to buy your tickets in the description box. For those of you who are not in the UK, there will be an online class. Okay, also link is gonna be down below. So yeah, guys, you already know MAHB is an online beauty agency. So that is another company that we operate in the space. MAHB is Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK. MAHB. If you're a makeup artist, hairdresser, or any beautician and you are in the UK, registration link is going to be down below for you to register to join our team. Also, if you want to book any of us, any member of our team, okay, link is going to be down below. Guys, do not waste your time on travels. Why would you waste your time on travels? Book Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK. Okay, link is down below. Guys, you already know I sell dresses. Yes, so the Videographer is another company. Yes, we are an online clothing brand. We have added the male collection, so it's a male traditional clothing collection. Okay, so you can buy for your husband or your boyfriend. Okay, I'm gonna put the link as well down below. The last but not the least is what? The BOSSCHIC corner. If you follow me on my vlog channel, by the way, my vlog channel link is gonna be down below. Follow me on my vlog channel. If you follow my vlog channel, you already know. Okay, then I do BOSSCHIC corner. On BOSSCHIC corner, I offer consultation, business consultation, and I also do talent management. So BOSSCHIC corner is all about consultation and talent management. So if you're a business owner and you want to promote your brand, you want to come on my channel, link is down below. Contact details is going to be down below. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of this beautiful space. Okay, so come with me. I'm going to start showing you guys from the entrance. As soon as you come in, you're gonna see the reception area. So this is the reception area. So this is the waiting area. Okay, so yeah. I've got these two chairs to entertain my guests and they can read while they're waiting. Okay, I have those things. I don't know what I'm gonna be putting in this box here, but I'm gonna put something later on in this box. Okay, I don't even know, but yeah. Then I have this cabinet here, beautiful cabinet. When you come in, you can see the businesses that operate here. So yeah. Yeah, so that's it for the reception area. Beautiful space, right? This is the kitchen area / reception area again. Another reception desk. Look at that. Guys, I made this. This is DIY. I'm going to show you guys a video of how I made this. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys a video. I made this. But yeah, so this is kitchen / reception area here. So I've got my fridge, microwave, kettle, tea, glasses, champagne glasses, and I've got these chairs. These chairs here. Remember these chairs? This is where I store them. This is for my training. You know the chairs for my training? I store them here as well. Okay? This is also going to be for my mukbang. Like so. Like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! So I'm going to be eating here. Mukbang video on my vlog channel. Yeah? Vlog channel. Mukbang. Eating videos. Chatting video. Oh yes. So guys, let's go to the other section. You're doing your photo shoot and you want to remove your jacket or blazer, I can just hang them here. Okay, so I've got blue box, pink box, and this cute plant here. Guys, I love plants. These ones are fake. So I'm going to buy real ones. Yes, I'm going to buy real ones very soon. Okay, so I'm going to start with fake, then real. Yes, I've got this dressing mirror here as well. Again, and I've got this corner. This is like a glam corner. That glam corner for you to stick like so. And do your makeup, and you can take selfie here, like selfie. Yeah, so this is another glam section. If you want to, like, if I glamming you up for photo shoot and I just want to tongue your hair, we can use this section. So this is like a glam section as well. Why photo shoot? Yeah. So guys, you already know bridal makeup, bridal hair, bridal consultation. So I'm going to be using here for my consultations, also trainings, makeup, hairstyling. So this is like a glam section. You can tell if you want to do your photo shoot and you want to bring your own makeup artist, okay, you can come with your own makeup artist and they can use this space to glam you up. Okay, so you can bring your own makeup artist. Okay. Yes, you can also use this space for photo shoot. Everywhere here, every corner here, you can use for photo shoot. Okay. So this is another background where we're going to be displaying all of the pictures that Akonjola production will be taking. We're yet to decide on what kind of picture we're going to be displaying here. But we're going to do an updated studio tour. There's going to be a lot of pictures here, and different sizes and different kind of pictures as well. So yeah, on that photo shoot area as well, you can do your photo shoot here. You can also buy your frames from us. After your picture, your photo shoot, you can buy frame, or after your wedding, you can come here to collect your footage and just choose the kind of frame that you want. So let's go. So this is our office section. Look at that beautiful office section, right? We have our TV here. Yes, we're going to be watching movies as well. We're not just here to work. We're going to be having fun as well. Also, when I'm doing training as well, we're going to be using this TV as a monitor. So when we're doing training, people can watch what I'm doing on the TV as well. Okay. Yeah. So it's like a monitor. Yeah. If I'm taking pictures as well, we're doing pictures. If we're taking pictures, you can see your footage here as it's being taken. Okay. Yeah. So we have one desktop here, another desktop here. Laptop, and this is just like an office section, guys. So we have our printer, guys. We have two printers, one printer, another printer there. I'll have our files there. Also here is all of our files, our Word document files and all of that. That's it for my office space. Okay, so at the moment I have a telephone, a landline that is wireless, like cordless. Yeah, I ordered another one because I just want the one with cord. Okay, so it's coming very soon and it's gonna be here. So yeah, let me take you guys to the other section. Guys, you know this thing, this is the flash. This is our flash, yeah, for the pictures. Studio flash, one studio flash there, another studio flash here. So two studio flash for pictures. Okay, so guys, this is our flower background for pictures as well. and for my BOSSCHIC corner. So this is where I'm going to be doing the interviews. If people want to promote their brand and they want to come here, I'm going to use a space for interviews like this, like BOSSCHIC corner. Like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my BOSSCHIC corner. If I have a guest, if I want to collaborate with people on YouTube, we can use this space here. This is one photo shoot done. Look at that. Look at that, guys. One photo shoot done. The good thing about this table, guys, look. This table can go up like so, and you can also go down. So that's a good thing about this table, yeah? So these things, we can move these things around. We can move all of this chair out of this frame, and we can just use this as a plain background for photo shoot. So this chair don't really have to be here all the time. We can move the other sofa to this place, you know, move things around, or just stand on this background. Yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you guys, this mirror is big. Another plant here. We have a two-seater here for photo shoot again, a red background. Yeah, so that's it, guys. This is our camera display cupboard. Okay, so this is where we keep our camera. Yeah, we're using two. So these are the rest, okay, of the camera. So we have like 6 cameras. So for your videography, photography, wedding coverage, you are covered, guys. Look at that, these cameras, popping cameras. Yeah, where are your guys if you want that beautiful video coverage or photo shoot? Yeah, so that's it, guys, for our cameras. I will have our frames there. Again, we're gonna add pictures later on to those frames. So we just added 2 cameras to our collection. Okay, so these are the cases. Canon 5D Mark III, beautiful camera. 5D Mark III, beautiful camera. So we're gonna be adding files here and there, you know, guys. Our back, a lot of backgrounds. You like, look at that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 backgrounds. Okay, so you can use this background for your photo shoot. You can use this one, you can use this one, you can use this color, you can use that color, you can use this yellow. I love yellow. Look at that. My one is mustard yellow though. Another plant, guys. These are some of the dresses from my online boutique, BioFash. Okay, BioFash dresses. Okay, check me out. Link is down below. Okay, so this is some of the dresses. These are samples. Okay, so if my clients come for photo shoot as well, they can also hang their outfit here. Hang their outfit here. Okay, if they want to do photo shoot, they can hang their outfit here. Another frame, guys, different sizes again, which we're going to be adding pictures later on. I'm going to be adding pictures there. Okay, so here as well, we can bring the 2-seater here, right here. You see, imagine the 2-seater here and this frame at the top. Beautiful, right? So this section, we're going to be transforming this section, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys. So this section is the main photo shoot area. This is the main place for photo shoot. Remember this background, you can bring it all the way to the front for photo shoot, yeah, or video shoot. Then this table, guys, this table that you see like this, we can transform this table. This table can go very long, like so. Yeah, you can make this table longer, like so. This is why I got this table, because you can do a lot with this table. This table is beautiful. Yeah, so this is where I do most of my intros as well. Like, hey guys, I found filming tutorial as well. I use this space and I have this brush like that, like dun, 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 dun. Popping. Yeah, so guys, that's it. I think I'm going to be showing you guys different way that we can transform this area. I'm going to put them here so you guys can see. You can transform this place like a lot, so yeah. I've got this LED lights for when I'm filming as well. I've got 1 2 3 4. I also got this one right here, and I also have another one there. Yeah, so yeah, that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be doing some videos like I'm going to be showing you guys my office equipment, videography, photography equipment, and a lot more to come. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you're in the UK, be sure to book me. Okay, book your sister, book me. Bridal makeup, bridal hair, videography, photography, all in this one roof. Okay. Yes guys, also follow my vlog channel. I'll be doing more on my vlog channel as well. So yeah, bye for now, see you soon.